Well, once again, folks, welcome back to the Hilltop Workshop. On the bench today, well, still the same day as it was when I did the mid-range. Just trying to punch them out before I get too busy again. Another B&W driver. This one is an 803D bass driver. 803Ds were the first of the Diamond Tweeter 803s after the 803S and the Nautilus 803s before that. 803Ds, they also went from 2 bass drivers to 3, so there was actually 3 of these 7-inch bass drivers below the mid-range, actually enclosed in the cabinet, and then the mid-range was above that, and then the Diamond Tweeter on top, if you're not familiar with them. This is the carbon fibre rower cell bass driver. They've since changed to a different style, but these are very, very, very light. B&W actually had a demo kit that they used to bring around, or that they gave all of the 800 dealers, and if you actually have one of these drivers in your hand, they are as near as damn it to weightless. They are lighter than paper. The carbon fibre is ultra light. Obviously the carbon fibre dust cap or phase plug or brace, or call it whatever you want, on the front adds virtually zero weight, and a very pliable speaker roll surround as well. So these were capable of delivering very, very fast and accurate bass. 803s were kind of in a bit of no man's land. The 805s obviously were a stand mount, then the entry-level floor standers were the 804s. 803s were, well, for myself, they were difficult to sell or recommend. They were, once you went from the 804s to the 803s, yeah, you got a bigger sound, you got a bigger bottom end, but it wasn't that big a step up to go up to the 802s. So the 803s traditionally were not a stupidly popular speaker. That being said, they weren't a bad speaker, but from a sales point of view, most people, if they were going as far as the 803D, for that little bit extra, well, you know, supposedly a little bit extra, it's all relative, you could go to the big hooers, which just look that much more impressive, and as though a lot of people won't admit it, hi-fi is not just about the sound, it's also about how it looks. And you know, the difference between having a set of 803 or 804 floor standards in your room versus a set of 802 or 800 floor standards, it's just that much more of a visual impact. Anyway, I'm babbling. Big neodymium magnet. Again, not a massive voice coil. They never really overdid the voice coil. You know, Dynaudio had their famous bloody, 100 mil or nearly 3-inch or 4-inch voice coils on them, on some of their bass drivers. That's all well and good, lots of power, but it also adds weight. And when speed is what you're after, weight is your enemy. So B&W would have no doubt done a lot of homework and a lot of research and discovered, okay, well, we can still get the same amount of power and the same amount of air moved with the 25 or 30 or whatever millimeter voice coil, single spider in the back of them, and of course this very, very light sandwiched carbon fibre rower cell driver. Good solid aluminium basket, as you would always expect. Nothing really exciting to say on the back of it. It's got part number there. This one is 803D LF 00531, I believe. 8 ohm driver, inspected by number 2. Who does number 2 work for? Not really much else to say. It does have a fair bit of weight in it. Centre of gravity is right probably around about here, because bugger all weight in the front, lots of weight in the magnet at the back. They're a very good speaker, and yeah, 3 of these going as fast as they did deliver a very, very nice bass reproduction. So 803D bass driver, again, another one that is open circuit, or it's not polling, but the coil is open circuit for whatever reason. Doesn't look fried or anything, but someone's obviously done the wrong thing with it. Again, folks, thanks for watching. I hope it's been interesting, or at least informative, or given you something to do to waste a few minutes of your day. Hopefully see you back here again soon with something else interesting. It might be speakers, it might be automotive, I really don't know. I do have a 61 Thunderbird 390 big block in pieces over on the other side of the workshop at the moment, so I might do something about that because that's also interesting as well. Anyway, again, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, yada yada. Questions, comments, stick them down below in the thingy, and if I get a chance to answer, I will. And see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.